Hello everyone, today I want to show you a small but useful 3D printing project. As you can see, the mount of our shower head broke off, it's pretty crusty, and I will temporarily replace it with a 3D printed part. Okay, now you can see I took some measurements off camera and changed into my CAD program of choice. This is FreeCAD. As you can see here, it's a pretty simple part. It looks a little bit bulky, but I made it that way on purpose to increase its strength. If you look at the part from all sides, you can see here in the front the beveled part where the hose of the shower head goes. Here you can see the bore for the 10mm pin where the part gets attached to. As I said, it's pretty straightforward, and the next step is to print it on my 3D printer. Okay, as you saw, the support material popped right off, and now we're basically ready to install it. Okay, it works like intended, fine for a temporary solution. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Until next time, bye.